He lost 1,100 pounds, bro, in 45 minutes. The times have changed, man. It's a lean Christmas, man. It's just gonna be a couple big farmer reps, just humming injectables out of a damn Cessna all around the world, man. Yeah, I don't know if Ozempic seems safe, man. You'll see somebody, they're like, yeah, I'm 38 years old and I'm down to 55 pounds. Yeah, thank God. I can fit into a lot of my same clothes I wore in 4th grade. Yeah, my skin makes a weird noise when I smile, but other than that, man, I'm doing great.